Backing up your contacts is one of the easiest ways to protect your important information. Whether you're switching phones, moving to another email service, or simply creating a backup, Google Contacts makes exporting your contacts quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. Sign in with the Google account that contains the contacts you want to export. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your complete contact list. Next, decide whether you want to export your entire contact list or only specific contacts. If you're exporting selected contacts, simply check the boxes beside the names you want to include. Now click the Export option from the menu on the left side. If you've selected only certain contacts, Google Contacts will let you export just those entries. Then choose the file format that works best for you. Google CSV is great for Google services. Outlook CSV is designed for Microsoft Outlook, and vCard works well with Apple devices and many other contact management apps. Once you've selected the format, click the Export button. Your browser will download the contact file to your computer. Be sure to save it somewhere safe so you can easily find it later if you ever need to restore or transfer your contacts. So take a quick look in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file to make sure the backup was created successfully. Keeping a recent backup can save you a lot of time if you ever change devices or lose access to your contacts. And that's it. Exporting contacts from Google Contacts only takes a few minutes, and it's one of the simplest ways to protect your important information. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.